So this is an update video on the plastic trim restore. About 8 months ago we looked into 2 different plastic restorers. Both of these came from Amazon. The 2 bottles claiming to be ceramic type. More expensive but a lot more product. The Wipe New by Rust-Oleum, cheaper, but only comes with 4 wipes, so less product. Just thought it would be good to compare the 2 and see which one's the best. I did put a small meter in the top left in that video to show, how impressed I was or how I was feeling at the moment looking into each different product. But in that first video you could tell I was very disappointed as the instructions were all hardened due to some of the product leaking. We definitely had some leaky bags. That means the product also got on the gloves. They were supposed to keep your hands from touching the product. So kind of unhappy about their packaging here, but in the end we did see that we had 2 bags that were in good shape. So as long as I can continue on with the test, I'm happy. So I'm back to neutral as far as being impressed. So September the 2nd, the vehicle has been washed and cleaned. It's a nice cloudy day and it's going to be great for putting on this plastic trim restore. This is what the car looks like before restoring. This is a 2009 Subaru Tribeca. I picked this vehicle because it has a lot of plastic trim all the way around the vehicle. So hopefully it's easy to show contrast. I started off with the Rust-Oleum Wipe New. I do like the way the cloth can be folded. They give you 8 new surfaces to use to apply the product. It wipes on very smooth, very evenly, and almost no streaking. It really doesn't get much easier than using the Wipe New. Just open up the pack, the pre-moistened little terry cloth. If you hit a dirty spot you didn't clean as well as you thought, or it starts to get a little bit dry, just turn it over to a new spot. And one cloth easily done half the vehicle. So that's a good bit of surface area on this Subaru. So all the driver's side is done with the Wipe New. That's what our cloth looks like, and very, very easy to apply. So very impressed at this point. The plastic restore, not so much. No matter how much I tried to spray on the sponge, I made sure to shake the bottle every so often. It was just very streaky. I had to keep applying. This stuff was acting more like Armor All to me instead of some kind of special ceramic coating. But I did go ahead and continue applying it around the whole passenger side of the vehicle, so we can not only compare but also look at it over time. So after both products are applied, this is what the Subaru looks like. The Wipe New side looks very good. The plastic restore, not so much. Just minutes after completion and it's already looking streaky and dry in spots. This is after going over some spots many times already to give it the best shot. So Wipe New does look like the clear winner, but we're going to give it some time and come back and see how it does. So here we are just 9 days later, and it's rained overnight, so I did just want to show you really quick here that just a little over a week, and the plastic restore, it's already running off. So that's the product itself running off and streaking there, while the Wipe New is still very impressive. So here we go, guys. It's been about 8 months, so I do want to share with you here how well this Wipe New has held up. There has been no other applications of the product. There has been a few but minimal washes on this third vehicle in the yard, and the 15-year-old plastic does look really good on the Wipe New side. You can tell we done went through some seasons here. The pollen has built up a little bit, but the vehicle has been washed. The plastic restore side looks pretty much just like it did before the product was applied. That's a big thumbs down for the plastic restore. Would not recommend it. The Wipe New is fantastic. So I do hope they fix some of the packaging issues or the issues they had with the packets leaking. Other than that, it's a fantastic product and it worked really well for me on the almost 15-year-old vehicle. A lot of time went into the comparison of these two products, and I did purchase both products. Nothing was sent to me. So I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to have some links down in the video description of these products so you can look them over and see the product details yourself if you're interested. I'll also have some other links of some awesome products and items that I find helpful on my workbench. Any of those links you click on are affiliate links, and they help support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. So thanks so much for watching, and God bless.